hope we get inside before that comes. Yo, what's up everybody? We are gonna take you to another tiny RV show. Last small RV show we went to was Ocala.
Yeah.
So.
Not if we haven't looked at enough RVs already.
Yeah, not that we're RV'd out. You know, we're not buying obviously, but something that people don't understand is you don't have to go to the mega show in Hershey or Tampa to look at RVs. Sometimes it's a lot less headache to go to these tiny little ones. So we're here at the Tampa Summer Show. It's definitely a lot smaller, but it is a lot less headache, and it is Thursday, it's opening day, and as you can see, it is empty. So we're gonna take you around. So most of it is indoors, you know.
Great, 'cause it's June.
Yeah, because it is June, it's hot, so it does make it a lot easier. Oh wait, white cabinetry. Don't you dare.
We're here for ideas.
Yeah, that means more painting. But it's okay. We actually have a lot more room now to paint, so it's actually, I'm okay with it. Plus, I have an office now in the back where I can lock myself in if she wants to paint, and then I'll just, like, you don't have to see me for 2 days, except for when I eat. All right, so this year, I think last year there wasn't an outside, right?
I don't think, if it was super tiny.
Yeah. So this year there's actually an outside. Obviously you got RV1 over here, and we'll see who else is here, I'm not sure. But again, this is small. If you guys come down here, don't expect it to be...
Like, there's General RV, Lazy Days, apparently RV1. I think that's it. It's only the big three really big dealers.
Yeah. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. How can we help?
I don't know if that was on camera, but we're walking into a little area and the guy just attacks us, and it's like, come on, just let us walk around. So anyways, we're in the RV1 area, and General RV is inside, and I think Lazy Days is inside, so it's very small. If you know what you're looking for and you just want to go that's fun, no stress other than your typical sales, you know, they're ready to sell. So you're gonna have to just deal with that as normal selling. But if you want to walk around and just kind of chill, this is the time to come, except for when it's about to rain. Ooh, this is the Alliance Valor. We almost pulled the trigger on this one. So one issue that you guys are gonna see on a video that we're gonna put out is we have the MORride steps on our RV on the front. What we've come to find out is, and let me know in the comments down below, is your front door harder to close? Like, we're in Florida, we get the hot, the humid, and then the chilly, and sometimes we get swelling. Sometimes it's hard to close the door, or I feel like we have to slam the door a little bit more. But we've noticed it a lot more on our new RV because we have the MORride steps, and it rubs on the bottom of the door frame. So we're in an Alliance Valor.
This is a serious door.
How
big this thing is.
My dog, dude. That's a lot of storage though.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm going to show you. Here's what we're doing, and we thought it was just ours, and we see the rub spots on the frame and on the steps, but like, that's how hard you have to pull it to shut it. So there's a little bit of, it's hot and it's humid outside, so there's probably some swelling. Now let's talk about what we're in. So this is the Alliance Valor toy hauler. This is a very nice floor plan. It's got a small little fridge, 3 couch, double sofa, little cooking area. Actually, it's not little, it's actually pretty nice. So what we like about this, which ours doesn't have, is opposing slides. I mean, it's only one, like that's the only slide on this side, and then you have this side over here. But above the couch, they've utilized all the space up here. And like Renee said, look at the size of these freaking doors, dude. Look at this. This is huge, but it does house a huge area. Obviously, this is all your electronics, which is cool. And then you got your power center. That's probably some fuses. Yep. But nice big storage everywhere. Big TV. Alliance does a very good job on utilizing their space, just as a lot of other RV manufacturers. How big's that garage, you think?
Probably 13.
13 foot. It's so crazy after having a 14 foot or 15 foot garage to go into a 13, how small it feels.
Yeah, 13.
Yes, 13?
Yeah.
Good. So 13 foot, it's kind of crazy to see it now. And I actually have a bigger bathroom than that.
Yeah, the 15 foot is what sold me on the one we got.
And the 2 bathrooms.
Well, that was any RV we're buying to have 2 bathrooms. But after seeing this now and seeing our setup,
We would have never been able to.
No.
Yeah.
And this is like an awesome floor plan,
Yeah,
but it doesn't have a dining room area. And that was a big thing. I wanted a table.
that's right. I knew there was something missing
well,
out
that
there.
and the MSRP. The price.
How much is the price? What is the MSRP on this thing?
150.
150.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, only 150.
And that's show price.
No, that's.
Oh, 130 is show price.
So yeah, the show price is 129.
So not too bad for an Alliance. Alliance are pretty solidly well built. So yeah, 130 for a toy hauler. Not too bad.
It's still a lot.
Yeah, this is what, 44 feet?
Yeah.
44 foot.
This is your dining room table.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah, see, I wouldn't like that.
No.
Yeah, but it's nice and big and open though.
Yep. Yeah, guys, Alliance does a really good job. Toy haulers, you only find a few different floor plans, and they're pretty much all the same. And that's why certain ones are selling like hotcakes.
Let's see if we can find the one I wanted.
The 3,
Any of the ones. Well, it was kind of this style. We had 2 couches.
but with a dining room
But
table.
yeah, there was a slide out, so you could put a table in that slide out.
All right, let's go find it. I don't know why we're trying to look at another RV, but we're just here for you guys, and it gets us out of the RV to go walk around. Well, what are we getting into first of all? No clue. Renee's just like a little kid, no clue. Well, there's no number, so we're going into another Eagle Jayco.
335 RDOK.
3. Oh, this is weird.
Yeah, there's a totally different feel to it.
Wow, it's like you're walking into a bar. Like, here, grab a seat. Your waitress will be right with you.
And with the color of the wood, it's almost like
Western rustic.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
So
I'm
here's-
gonna turn the radio off so we don't get copyright.
It's got its own little like living room. Feel.
Yeah, and this is the back. Yeah, this is the back. So it's kind of like rear living, mid-restaurant. It feels like a booth in a restaurant.
But it's weird how it totally
It's very-
feels different. Like
It feels rustic. It feels farmhousey, but not the white farmhousey. This feels like old Western.
I love this backsplash.
Yeah, that backsplash is cool. No, it definitely, there's something different about this in here. Because normally, you know, Renee's complaining about the dark color, and obviously this is dark, but it's not.
I don't.
It's
love
not
the
like
color,
this dark.
But there's just something about the feel and the layout. It just feels. I don't know. It feels
Yeah.
cool. Not saying I'm looking to buy. Just saying.
We're not buying. But like this is like nice right here. You have a little eating area, and then you separate. So the separation is kind of cool. I think that's what I like about it, is the separation from the kitchen.
I don't feel like the bathroom decor matches the theme out here. It feels more like modern in there.
All right, let's see. Oh wow, it's blue, gray, and I don't know what to make of this.
I know, it doesn't feel like it matches the theme out here.
It's got your drunken octopuses. Well, I guess the bathroom doesn't necessarily need to match the theme of where they're, because you're just only doing a couple things in here. And the bedroom's got the dark wood with the shiplap. So it's not too bad. But again, your living area is what counts. Just like a house, what sells? Your bathrooms and your living room, or bathroom and kitchen. But the floor is super rustic looking. This is like Western rustic looking, kind of like an Outback, or like a, what's that, Texas Roadhouse style or something. But it has a good feel. You're right.
It's a different feel of an RV.
But it's a good feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Cool. And what floor plan? 3, that one. So pretty cool. It's 42 foot. 11,000 pounds. GVWR is probably 13. Well, not bad. All right, so you know we're not one for Class A's or C's or B's or whatever letters these are, Class A's, but figured we might as well walk into this one because this is a pretty cool layout. This is a Winnebago, I don't know. No, it's a Thor. It's a brand new Vespa interior. But you're looking at about $500,000. But here's what $500,000 gets you. Eating area, table. So I guess the weird thing is you have seats sitting across from each other, which is nice for talking. And your TV's over there. So if you're sitting over here, you're 90 degrees looking at the television, unless you want to sit here.
Small shower.
Small shower. Well, again, you only spend 10 minutes in a shower, 15 minutes in a shower, as opposed to the rest of the time out here. So, oh yeah, wow, tiny bathroom in general.
Oh, I know there was a
Oh no,
half
this is just the bathroom.
Oh yeah, there's a half bath. Okay.
Oh yeah, so the master, so everything's back. It looks like locker style. And they're not opening, so there's got to be a water heater. Yeah, there's a dial. Sit-up bed, which is kind of cool. Pretty good sized bathroom, to be honest with you. I mean, the shower's cool. You just stand in it. Yeah, it's not super huge, but one piece. Again, this is where you spend the majority of your time entertaining, cooking, and hanging out. So, yeah, the shower's a little small, but you're not hanging out in
the
there.
price, I want a big shower.
Oh, well, you got a big living area.
I want a big shower.
Yeah. Renee. Again, Renee's Ideal RV is going to be 65 freaking feet long with everything.
When we do our walk, the people are going to say, you have a big shower?
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, you are going to see we don't have a big shower.
But it is roomy, though.
Yeah, it's definitely very deceiving because we were, okay, shower's not that big, but, I mean, it looks like a teleport pod. You'll see in our other video. Just subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you'll see our walkthrough video. So let's talk about weights. We will eventually look at something very small to tow. We just bought a Toyota Highlander. No, Highlander. Yes, Highlander. With the tow package, and it's able to tow 5,000 pounds. Now, being on the forums and a lot of people who tow, they stick around 3,000 to 3,500 pounds for safety. And I'm like, good call. And they add a brake controller. Now, we're looking at this Forest River little R-Pod. It's 19 foot. GVWR's 3,800 pounds. So it's well below the towing capacity of our car. But something you got to look at here. This is longer than our car. You would not want to tow this with our vehicle because the tail will wag the dog. This thing gets a gust of wind. This is going to control your car. The car's not going to control this. So something to think about. I know a lot of people are going smaller because of gas mileage and the cost of diesel's going up. So yes, it is well within weight specs, but you have to look at everything else. 19 foot, even though it's relatively small, you definitely don't want to tow this with like a 4Runner, Highlander, or anything like that. Like, I would be comfortable with a EcoBoost, F-150, the new GMCs with the little diesel engines or something like that. Also too, I would definitely like to see 2 axles, but just to play a little bit of that weight game. Could you tow it? Yes. Should you? Probably not.
I wouldn't even get in the car. I have enough anxiety. There's no way I would let our car tow this.
No way. No way. Now, a lot of people would just be like, yeah, screw it, we're doing it, I can do it, but safety first, guys. Or third, whatever. So we're walking through this area, and this is the Arcadia. We actually looked at one of these a while ago, the Keystone Arcadia. This is their first travel trailer, and what caught my eye is look at the front end on this. It like slopes down and it goes down. It's very weird. So let's see what kind of features. We have 10,000 pounds dry weight, or 9,400 pounds dry weight, and 60,000, not bad. So it gets you bright, nice and bright.
Yeah.
Oh my God, nice and bright in here.
Remember
Yes.
the Acadia, I love
The fifth wheel.
The coloring.
Yep. So you're definitely bringing in the fifth wheel coloring and styling in a travel trailer. Look at this natural wood look.
The more, like, I don't know, with the modern style couches. That we
Yeah.
have. And look at the blinds. They're doing the fancier than those
Oh,
accordions.
Guys, I know a lot of industry people don't watch our videos, but some people need to step up out of this old school game. This is what people are upgrading to, and this is what manufacturers that are paying attention
Well, the white
are doing.
And the natural wood is really big right now.
Yes, everybody's been doing the natural wood, but look at this nice cutting board, paneling, very open feeling, very nice, coming from the guy who used to hate all white. Okay, simple bathroom, nothing too crazy. Again, the same color runs through the whole RV. These shades are nice, everything. Oh, look at that, cool, nice. So it doesn't go all the way down.
Does it lift up like our old one?
No, look.
It doesn't lift
No,
up.
but that's weird. But this is that funky front end, so it kind of just slopes down a little bit. You don't necessarily need all the height in here, so I guess it slows down for aerodynamics. So I guess if you had a truck, instead of having a big bulbous thing in front, it kind of arrows up. So pretty cool design, a little forward thinking on that. But the coloring and the feel in here is very nice for
Farmhouse.
very farmhouse, very cool for
They even got like the farmhouse.
Oh,
chairs.
dude. I remember Mom used to have those. And it has the distinct sound when you... Well, this floor. But when it used to slide across our floor, it has that distinct sound of these chairs. But yeah, very cool, very lightweight, very simple, very modern looking. And just clean.
Give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Right? Even Renee gives it a thumbs up. All right, that's it. 11 o'clock, came here at 9, and we extended it because it was raining, but very limited. Only like 2 toy haulers, other than like the little Momentums and then the Fusion. So not too bad.
3 or 4 fifth wheels.
Yeah, 3 or 4 fifth wheels, couple Class A's, nothing too crazy, just enough to wet your whistle. Now, good thing about this. So one thing we have noticed about this from, I guess the last show we went to was the Super Show. Prices are going down, guys. Prices are dropping. And it is nice to see supply is back. Prices are reflecting that. Prices are going down. Yeah, they're still up there from what pre-COVID prices. They're definitely higher, but they're not as high as like the Tampa RV show. I remember everybody talking about the Tampa RV show. Oh my God, look at the prices. These have, it's a significant price drop.
Well, they may have brought more affordable ones since it is so small.
Yeah, true. But I mean, there's definitely a price drop. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Now the thing is, we got to find our car since we don't have the big truck anymore. Our car is blending in like normal. So I don't even know. We don't have any racks on it to, oh, there it is.
That's one thing I said when we pulled in here.
So it's over there, the little car over there.
Versus the mega show. A lot of these vehicles in this parking lot ain't towing anything.
Yeah, these are
think
definitely
we-
not tow cars. Yeah, you come to the Tampa RV show and there's big trucks, the 450s and the dualies, and you know they're towing. They're either there to trade or buy or get ready. Here, there's a lot of just smaller style cars, and I talked to a few people and they either have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, they're looking for something small, or like an F-150 looking for something small. Kind of a different trend happening with the price of gas and the way the economy's going is people are going smaller, and it's definitely being reflected in the RV industry. That's it from Tampa. We are going home. I guess we're going back to work. So it's raining, it's hot, it's muggy, it's humid. It's Florida in the summertime, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Oh, just to let you know, to get in, it's only $8 to get in. It's $8 to park, $8 to get in, 16 bucks. Come here. You'll be in and out within a couple hours. It's kind of nice. So if you have something small that you definitely want to look at, it's definitely worth it to come. It's smaller, it's compact. Some outside, some inside. I highly suggest coming on a weekday if you can. We're out of here, guys. Thanks for watching.